Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bongness with Payal আর আজকে আমি এসে গেছি with yet another episode of food making. So today's recipe is very yummy. It's an Italian dish. আমাদের সবার ভীষণ favorite. We always keep going to Domino's and Pizza Hut. I guess you all can guess. Yes. So today I'm going to make pizza. আজকে আমরা বাড়িতে বানাবো pizza. Homemade products দিয়ে easily বাড়িতে কিভাবে pizza বানাতে হয় I'm going to show you that. So are you guys ready? Come on! So prothome what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make the pizza dough, which is easy. Amader pizza dough banate gele ragbe we need 1 teaspoon sugar, we need 1 teaspoon yeast, and we need warm water, lukewarm water. Ar ekta boler moddhe maida is required. So let's go and let's watch the recipe. First we'll start with lukewarm water. So I have lukewarm water. I'm going to give it little bit, that's it. Then we'll give sugar 1 teaspoon and we'll give yeast 1 spoonful of. It's less in quantity. I'll give one more time. That's it. Now you're going to mix it. I'm going to give a little bit of hot water here and mix it well. Mix it till it gets frothy. এটার মধ্যে আমি দিলাম গরম জল, ইস্ট দিলাম। ইস্ট এরকমই হয়, not that very costly, it's cheap. This is available in market. This is how it looks like. And we'll also give sugar. দিয়ে এটাকে মিক্স করব, ততক্ষণ মিক্স করব যতক্ষণ না ফ্রদি হয়ে যায়। So you can see bubbles are coming out, so it's done. এটা আমরা 5 minutes রেখে দেব। We'll make it sit for 5 minutes. So as you can see we have let it settle down for 5 minutes. 5 মিনিট পরে ফিরে এসেছি। এবার যেটা দেব সেটা হচ্ছে 1 cup of maida first. Second, যেহেতু আমি 4 জনের পিৎজা বানাচ্ছি, মিনিমাম 2টো পিৎজা আমি বানাবো আজকে, so I'll put another 1 cup of maida in it. মেদাটা দেওয়া হয়ে গেলে দেন আমরা ওটাকে ডো বানাবো। So I'm putting another cup of maida. এবার এটাকে properly knead করব into a dough. So here you go guys, I have made the dough. Doughটা রেডি হয়ে গেছে, a little bit of mess, sorry for that. চারিদিকে একদম যে করে হোক আমি আটাটা মেখেছি, I'm very bad at it but still আমি করেছি। So this is how it looks like and doughটা রেডি হয়ে গেছে। এবার এই ডোটাকে আমি রেখে দেব for 2 hours. Here we are back after 2 hours and you can see that the dough is fluffy enough. অনেকটা ফুলে গেছে। 2 hours রাখলে ঠিক এরকমভাবেই ফার্মেন্ট হয়ে যাবে ডোটা। দিস ইজ হোয়াট উই রিকোয়ার। এবার এটাকে আমরা আরেকটু নিড করব, করে রুটির মতো করে বেলে নেব। উইল মেক দিস রাউন্ড ব্রেড কাইন্ড অফ অর চাপাতি কাইন্ড অফ প্রসেস। উই ওয়ান্স ডু ইট, দেন আই এম গোইং টু শো ইউ হাউ ইট লুকস লাইক। ওকে, দিস ইজ হাউ দ্য ডো লুকস লাইক। সো উই আর গোইং টু মেক স্লাইট ডেন্ট এট দি এজ। এইরকম ডেন্ট বানাবো এজে। This is what is made. This is the pan which I'm going to transfer this pizza to this pan. আমি ট্রান্সফার করে দিয়েছি পিৎজা বেসটাকে in this pan. এইটাতেই আমি রান্না করব in microwave. আমি এটাতেই বেক করব and now I'm going to use this and prick it a little bit. This is what I am using in pizza. So I am using, as you can see, I'm using capsicum. I have made it at 2 types of pieces so that you can understand. Duto shape baniyechi. One is dice one is julienne one, and also this one tomatoes. I require tomatoes. Piyaj cube kore ketechi. What are the things required now for the topping? So this is the pizza pasta sauce that I'm using. I'm using some of the chili flakes, red chili that you have, just cut it out with your scissor. হচ্ছে pizza pasta sauce. Pizza pasta sauce না থাকলে normal Kisan tomato sauce, any tomato sauce you have. And you can use chicken, you can use mushroom. I am making it this a veg mushroom কিনবার বাইরে বেরোতে পারিনি mushroom কেনার জন্যে, so I am just using soya beans. I have fried and tossed it with sauce, tastes like chicken only, so I'm using this. And I'm using little bit mixture of olive oil and white oil. This is how it looks like. Eita amra use korchi, and I'm using Amul cheese. and at the same time crusher দিয়ে crush করে নেব. So this is what we are using, and at the same time this one we are using. Hey guys, so I have been showing you how to make the pizza base. I have shown you the toppings. Topping দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি, pizza base কিভাবে বানায় দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি. এবার আমরা যেটা করব, that's the most fun part, and I love that part because that is just putting the toppings and just adding the sauce and the yummy thing. So let's do it. So I'll take the sauce and I'm going to place it here nicely with lots of love. সুন্দর করে সসটা লাগিয়ে দেব বেসে. I believe in one thing, that you put more love in your food becomes much more tasty. তো যত আদর করে সুন্দর করে we're going to make the food, it's going to be very tasty. And I would tell all of you, go and prepare pizza at home just the way I'm showing you. It turns out very tasty. It's something you can make for your loved ones, you can make for your friend coming in, you can make it for any party. I'm going to add this one anywhere, wherever you want. I'll better use my hand to do it. So I'm going to add it. See, it's looking like those yummy chicken pieces that we generally get in the pizza. So this is a very good substitute for chicken, guys. You can use it at home. Okay, so I'm going to add some of the onions. See how yummy it looks when you add it. Even it looks so colorful. It's going to look more colorful. I'm going to keep it here. So I'll add some of the capsicum. Of course, I love capsicum. I'll add tomatoes. See, we are preparing, we're just making the topping, and already it looks so yummy and so tasty. And imagine when it is prepared, how it tastes like. It's like delish. It's very, very tasty. So this is how it looks like, guys. I'll put some more because we are going to make only 2 pizzas and we have lots and lots of toppings. So this is done. We're going to add chili flakes. So I have added everything that you can see. It's ready almost. I'm going to take some white oil and the mixture of olive oil. I'm going to just put it up here. So ekটু oil দিয়ে দেব উপরে. Now the best and yummy part, that's this one, the cheese. So we're going to take out the cheese and we're going to add. What I do is, like, I take a crusher like this and cheese টা just crush করে দেব. Guys, it's just looking like snowfall is happening on my pizza base, and it's yummy. So when the pizza is ready, it just melts in your mouth and it's amazing. Guys, I would show you, this is how it looks like. Isn't it yummy? It's too yummy. Cheese দেওয়া হয়ে গেছে. The base is ready, guys. We're going to put it inside the oven. So I'm going to put it inside the microwave oven. Use a high rack because I'm using convection. You can also choose not to take any rack. ঢুকিয়ে দিলাম মাইক্রোওয়েভে. এবার 20 minutes এটাকে বেক করব 200 degree temperature. 200 degree temperature has been set. Now we are going to cook it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes set. See guys, 20 minutes set করে দিয়েছি. So guys, as you can see, it's already done. Let's do it. Let's stop it. Let's see how the yummy pizza looks like. It's hot inside and my pizza is ready. This is how the pizza looks like, and it's yummy. And I have put a little bit more of cheese on it, so it's cheesy all together. So now we are going to eat it, guys. So guys, finally the pizza is ready. Amar pizza ready hoye geche. This is how it looks like. This is my dip with mayonnaise and normal tomato ketchup that you have at home, and this is how my pizza. So guys, go and enjoy this pizza. I'm going to enjoy it here only how it tastes like. The best part is that, first of all, this soya bean, just like chicken, it's very tasty. The crust is quite thin. I just love that. Shop by Pizza Banao. Follow my process. It's very fun. Pizza emnite sajano bishon fun. Make it with your sister, with your brother, with your friends, and just make everybody enjoy and taste the pizza. I'm sure it's going to be very tasty. Subscribe my channel Bongless with Payal, and I'm going to bring a lot of more recipes, a lot of more dance performances, and lot many things, guys. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay well. Lots of love.
ठीक है